Daily English expression. Learn while sleep. Day 5. Chapter 13. Expressing excitement. That's so cool. I'm so excited. That sounds amazing. Wow, that's fantastic. How exciting. I'm thrilled. That's fantastic news. That's amazing. I can't wait. This is fantastic. That's great to hear. I'm over the moon. That's wonderful. I'm so happy for you. This is such great news. I'm so excited about this. This is going to be amazing. That's just what I needed to hear. This is a dream come true. I'm so glad this is happening. I'm looking forward to it. Chapter 14. Showing empathy. That must have been really tough. I can understand why you feel that way. I'm sorry to hear that. That sounds really difficult. I'm here for you. That sounds so frustrating. I'm sorry you're going through that. I can relate to what you're saying. That sounds so stressful. I understand how you feel. If there's anything I can do, just let me know. I'm here to listen. That sounds like a tough situation. I'm sorry you're going through this. You don't have to go through this alone. I can imagine how challenging that must be. That sounds really overwhelming. I care about what you're going through. Chapter 15. Expressing disappointment. That's too bad. I was really hoping to get the job I interviewed for last week. I'm disappointed that my vacation plans had to be cancelled due to unforeseen circumstances. I was really looking forward to attending the music festival this year. That's a shame. I was so hoping for a different outcome. I'm really let down. I had high hopes for the project, but it didn't turn out as well as I had expected. That's not what I was expecting. I'm disappointed that the restaurant we wanted to try was closed when we got there. I was counting on receiving a scholarship to help pay for my tuition this year. I was hoping for a better outcome. That's not the news I was hoping for. I'm so sad to hear that. That's not what I wanted to hear. I was really rooting for your victory. I'm disappointed in myself. I was hoping for a brighter outcome.